Say hello to Mike, a maker with big ideas who wants to keep things organized. But he just can't find the right equipment. And this is Lily. She is trying to reach 1,000 followers. And she did it. Great job, Lily. But they are having some trouble setting things up. Psst, here. Say hi to the all-new BIQU Pandaverse, the complete upgrade solution for your bamboo printer space. Capture and dispose of waste with ease. Storage space for days. AMS units, stack them and rack them. Take your A1 Mini anywhere and give it a splash of your personality. But what about heavy printers? Don't worry, guys, we've got your back. Want to keep your filament flowing without an AMS? Don't worry, we've got you covered. And how about those prints that warp all the time? Panda Breath will bring the heat. Feel like something is missing? Let's light this place up. Mike and Lily don't just watch content creators making cool stuff. They do it themselves using BIQU's unique range of filaments. Come and join Mike and Lily in the BIQU Pandaverse.